Today's lecture we will discuss about the instruments and platforms. ICT means refers to technologies used for collecting, storing, editing, and passing on information in various forms. Okay. Instruments and platforms to usually information communication technology learning language. Two things, one is hardware and second is software. दिसतंय तर पिक मध्ये फोटो मध्ये hardware and software. This is platform integrated and all the software for one platform, that is elective. Okay, here we will get Twitter. दिसतंय ह्याच्यामध्ये Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, small images आहेत, Flipkart. Okay, most of platform that is considered directive media platform used for sharing, leading, and collaborating. Okay, so you can use this submit this platform. Okay, same time use can this hardware tool get connected the software in this media. Okay, just difference. Needs of ICT. First, needs of five need of ICT, information and communication technology. When the, for example, when the students want to learn but they're not able to join the online lecture or face-to-face lecture, that definitely need to ICT. They will use it, right? Okay. So when they are free, they can use this picture video. Okay. Also provide dependent learning, because if the point is don't need to other point, will teach them one online one online one word. Okay. To promote of the culture of learning. Okay. How the ICT of culture of learning. Okay, let one person in the video, the concept point is clear, and they more interested to next chapter, and the auto clear means the next similar concept. So create the culture of the learning, then go think the next topic to make learning easy to understand. Okay, to create knowledge society, to make you connect with the global community. Okay, who are your global community? Because when you are seeing the video and taking the online lecture, according to time comfortable time other person, and also attending some sessions, so you are able to connect to other. Okay, other person which are not physically near to you, they can use reachable by like on the using technology only. Okay, to support sharing expensive and information with others. These are the needs of the ICTs. Then ICT technologies are used. Okay, first application for corporations. Okay, application for corporation. First, airlines, insurance companies. Okay, internet banking. Uses कुठले ICT uses. Corporation means airline, insurance companies, and internet banking. Second, application for state organization. Means electronic voting and tax funds. Okay. Third, application for healthcare. Healthcare means data about the patient, diagnostic tools and instruments, special surgical equipments. Okay. And last, education application for education means computer based training, distance learning, e-learning, okay, electronic learning, adaptive learning time, flexible learning, location, multimedia learning experience. Okay. Write down uses ICT technology are used for four type: application for corporation, application for state organization, application for healthcare, and application for education. Corporation means insurance companies, internet banking. State organism means tax fund, electronic. Healthcare means diagnostic tools and special surgical equipment. Education means computer-based training, distance learning, and e-learning. Means multimedia learning experience. फक्त नावं लिहून घ्या. Okay. Next, role of ICT in education, role of ICT in learning, role of ICT in healthcare. Role of ICT in education means word processing, means document. Word processing म्हणलं काय काय येते? Notes, project, assignments. Okay. Education related spreadsheet and programming means record, exam scores. स्प्रेडशीट आता तुम्ही यूज करताय सगळ्यांनी. आम्ही जे नोट्स वगैरे व्हिडिओज वगैरे टाकतो ते स्प्रेडशीट वरच टाकतो. थर्ड, डाटाबेस, information storage. Okay. Developing multimedia kits to make processing interesting. Okay. Internet and email facility to gain knowledge, and games and simulation to improve quality of learning. This is the role of ICT education. Please सगळ्यांनी लिहून घ्या. त्यामध्ये काय काय येणार आहे. रोल ऑफ ICT in education. रोल ऑफ ICT in education. हे कारण सगळे ISC रिलेटेड मी तुम्हाला इम्पॉर्टन्स सांगत आहे. वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, रोल ऑफ ICT in education. सगळ्याचे दोन 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 तीन तीन पॉइंट आहेत, लिहून घ्या. वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, WORD, वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. त्यामध्ये काय काय येणार आहे. डॉक्युमेंट्स, नोट्स, प्रोजेक्ट, असाइनमेंट्स. वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग डॅश डॉक्युमेंट्स, नोट्स, प्रोजेक्ट्स अँड असाइनमेंट्स. मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करून त्याचे एक्झाम्पल देत आहे कारण तुमच्या पण लक्षात येईल. डॉक्युमेंट्स, नोट्स, प्रोजेक्ट, असाइनमेंट्स. सेकंड, स्प्रेडशीट प्रोग्रामिंग. स्प्रेडशीट मध्ये आपण रेकॉर्डिंग आणि आपण एक्झाम आता सरप्राईज टेस्ट वगैरे ठेवल्यावर त्याचं गुगल फॉर्म बनवतो आणि त्याचा डायरेक्ट रेकॉर्ड तुमचे मार्क्स स्प्रेडशीट वर होतात. स्प्रेडशीट प्रोग्रामिंग, records and exam scores. Records and exam scores. Third, databases. Databases.
मॅम,
हा,
रोल ऑफ ICT इन एज्युकेशन काय काय सांगितलं.
वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. रोल ऑफ ICT इन एज्युकेशन मध्ये सांगते वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. त्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग मध्ये काय येत आहे. डॉक्युमेंट्स, नोट्स, प्रोजेक्ट, असाइनमेंट. पॉइंट्स आहेत असं 3, 4, 5 पॉइंट्स आहेत. एज्युकेशन रिलेटेड कुठले कुठले ते. फर्स्ट आहे वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. त्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत डॉक्युमेंट्स, नोट्स, प्रोजेक्ट, असाइनमेंट. सेकंड पॉइंट, स्प्रेडशीट प्रोग्रामिंग. spreadsheet, SPREAD, spreadsheet programming. त्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल रेकॉर्ड, एक्झाम स्कोर्स, records, exam scores. Third point, databases, information storage, databases dash, information storage. Fourth, developing multimedia kits, KITS. Dash, to make process interesting, Last point, fifth point, internet and email facility to gain knowledge. Internet and email facilities, to gain knowledge. हा पूर्ण सब्जेक्ट CSE रिलेटेड आहे. सो तुमच्यासाठी पण नवीनच आहे, आमच्यासाठी पण नवीनच आहे. कारण फर्स्ट टाइम ICC सब्जेक्ट आहे, आलाय सिव्हिलला. सेकंड, रोल ऑफ ICT इन लर्निंग. Information communication technology. ICT helps to provide interactive learning experience. Okay. It provides comfortable learning. Okay. ICT helps student to gain valuable computer skills. Okay. And ICT tools aids for.
का
काय म्हणताय?
सगळं लिहून काढायचंय का हे तुम्ही सांगताय ते आता?
हो, मी ते सांगेनच. मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करत होतो, हे लर्निंगचं सांगत होते. मी तुम्हाला पॉइंट वर सांगेनच. हे जस्ट हेडिंग आहे, त्यामधलं मी पॉइंट सांगते तुम्हाला. मी एक्सप्लेन करते ते सांगणार आहे तुम्हाला. 2 मिनिट सांग. ICT स्टिम्युलेट अँड मोटिवेट लर्निंग. ओके, लिहून घ्या आता. कुठले कुठले लर्निंग प्रोसेस आहेत, रोल्स आहेत. ICT हेल्प्स टू प्रोव्हाइड इंटरॅक्टिव्ह लर्निंग एक्सपिरियन्स. ICT helps to provide interactive learning experience. कारण हे कुठेच तुम्हाला मिळणार नाही. त्या रिलेटेड काय काय थोडं लिहून घ्या, कारण तुम्हाला परत करणार नाही. ICT helps to provide interactive learning experience. ICT provide comfortable learning. Second point, role of ICT in learning मध्ये first point आहे, ICT helps to provide interactive learning experience. Second point, ICT provide comfortable learning. ICT provide comfortable learning. ICT tools aids of AIDS, aids of in the understanding of difficult concept and processes. In the understanding of difficult concept and processes. Difficult concept and processes. Okay. Last point, ICT helps students helps HELPS. ICT helps students to gain valuable computer skill. To gain valuable computer skills. Yeah. Last, role of ICT in healthcare. क्या कहना है? Role of ICT in healthcare. Healthcare. Data collection. First लिहून घ्या data collection. Data collection. Second, management of healthcare institute. Management of healthcare. Management of healthcare institution. Institutions. Management of healthcare institutions. Third, access to medical. Public health. Hygienic knowledge. Medical health hygienic knowledge. And last, geographic access of patient in emergency. Geographic access of ACCESS. Geographic access of patient in emergency. And last, diagnosis and treatment. DIAGNO SIS, diagnosis and treatment. There are the three types, the role of ICT, education, learning and healthcare. हे पूर्ण बेसिक आहे. मेन पार्ट आहे आपण बघूया नेक्स्ट स्लाइड मध्ये. बेसिक of information and communication technology. Okay. If you look at any ICT application, दिसतंय तुम्हाला clear? We can see there are three level of abstraction. At the top level of the course is the application itself, which is the user interaction with and this application is actually built using some tools which are constructed of some technologies. Okay. So if you look at market process, first market prices application, it probably built using the identify management tool. Okay. We need to figure who has called. We need to figure where the person has called from, how the data to be delivered and where to the data is stored. Okay. So they may be voice and communication technology tools used. There may be content management technologies tools used. Some application top layer basically handled served through multiple tools at the second layer. Okay. Identify technology and data communication technology. For examples, recognize probably happens using data communication technology, internet technology, and identify technology. Okay. Third part, internet database and identify technology. Okay. Similar content management. This content management happens using data represented users and data management. Okay. Uses So solution is built of the multiple tools. The tools is called handled through the multiple technologies. Okay. So in this we have going to the talk of the bit of this here. So called ICT basics. Uh, so once we know the basics, we can actually in the sub equal courses explore the greater layer. First is solution, tools, and technology. Okay. Uh, next slide. These are the technology. Internet. So what are the we doing in this course? Okay. We will talk about the internet technology. Basically, what are websites and web application? What happen on the server side and on the client side? How they talk to each other? What is cloud? Everybody is talking of cloud these days. Okay. We should know. So what this cloud is all about? Okay. This is internet technology, website, web application, web service. Write down internet technologies. Examples: website, web application. Just explain केलंय. Server side means web service, search engine. Client side, browser application, browser.com application, browser apps. Next, cloud. And last, access devices, desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Okay. Next, communication technology. We will do communication technology 2G, 3G, JSM, CDMA. Okay. And how does data move over the phone and so on. Okay. Then there is a set of lectures on identify management and location. You know, how do I know who is calling and where the person is calling from, and talk about cloud computing. Okay. Cloud computing and access device. You can access the services through a mobile phone or a tablet or laptop or a desktop, and each one has its own advantages and restriction that comes. Okay, we will talk about those issues. We will talk about data storage. We'll talk about how is data represented inside the computer and how it is accessible to you can example, let's say you are talking about the particular pest damages a particular crop, and is controlled by some chemicals. Okay, so how do I store this complex relationship inside the machine? That the topic of this discussion. Okay, next we'll talk about collaboration technology, social technology, blogs, wikis. Okay. How do people work together and try to solve a problem? Technology is an enabler. Finally, we solve problem with the help of the other people. So these are called as social technology. Okay. Then we will talk about this issue. So how should who should attend this course? This is a basic course in ICT. So it's anybody who is interested in knowing what happens behind the scan is when I make phone call, or when I access the website, or when actually get a service based on ICT, should attend this course. Okay. For example, student of agriculture universities, I think is a must. They should all know what happens here. Faculty of the universities, scientists in the agriculture research system, NGOs, and anybody who wants to know what ICT is all about. Okay, these are the ICT related points. हा सब्जेक्ट असा आहे की एकदा